It's a very overwhelming feeling that I have right now. Even up to now, no, he's treating me like family. No, sa bagay, I've worked as his campaign manager. I've served in his team as a cabinet. No, so nakakabusog na talaga natin sila mag-asawa para bang they treat you as really as family. They're very much concerned. Andun talaga ang pressure because amongst everyone, I'm the one who's you, lalo na sa aking apelyido eh. Yun ang problema ko eh.
Kilala sa Metro Manila po tayo, no?
Yes. So, kaya nga I'm always saying, baka po pwede sanang ako makita na rin yung accomplishments, malaman maigi at anong platform, anong nagawa na at gagawin. Parati tinatawag ako, ito si Dilek Matias, ginagaroon ako, inaan nila ako, especially yung mga may edad, no? Nakakatuwa.
Yes.
That's how they recognize me. Oo. Kasi before, when I was in Lasal, nanalo kami best player. Meron kami teatro. Meron na kami.
And interest.
But then, I'm also a lawyer. So, magaling ako mag-memorize. But kasi hindi ako kumakanta, hindi ako sumasaya, kaya yun ang problema ko. Siguro pwede ako mag-magic. No? Pwede ako mag-magic eh.
We look forward to seeing something like that.
Wala po.
Thank you.